In this tutorial we'll show you how to create an assignment, a simple assignment which just allows for a single upload of a file. So the first thing we need to do is to turn editing on. Now the assignment will be created through this Add an Activity button. When we create it, we're going to drag it down underneath the assessment section, and then we'll link to it from the page, from the assessment page, which is actually down here. So let's create the assignment first. So we click on Add an Activity, and the assignments are at the top. This one is upload a single file, and click Add. I'm going to call this Assessment 2. Of course, whether you call them assessments or assignments is irrelevant. Some instructions for the student here. Now let's have a look at the main settings. You will need to set the availability dates. So this is today's date. Let's say that we want the students to have access until the 29th, and let's say that that's going to be 9 AM. You can either allow or prevent late submissions. At the moment this is saying that late submissions are allowed, but you'll still know if they're late because they'll be date stamped. Grade, the default is 100. You can make it out of 20, 50, whatever you want. Grading methods, you're probably going to want simple direct grading. There's a little tutorial on the rubric which might be of interest to some, but for now let's just assume that we're looking at simple direct grading. Don't worry about the grade category. Now, uploading a single file. Allow resubmitting. This is probably not a bad idea. If a student submits a file and then realizes that they made a mistake, then this would allow them to resubmit, but they can alert you via email. It's probably not necessary. Maximum size, well, 1 megabyte is probably fine, but you might want to put up to 2. If your Moodle has been shared by a number of classes, then that will need to be in separate groups. If your class is the only class using that Moodle, then there'll be no groups. Don't worry about groupings. Don't worry about restrict access or activity completion. At this stage, we're not using these aspects of the Moodle. And then we can save and return to the course. And what you'll find is that the assessments come up here. We can drag that down under so, and indent 1 so we know that all that comes under the assessment. Now what I want to do is hyperlink. There's no point having this assessment here unless the students can access it, and the only way they access it is via the assessment page. Here's the assessment page. Here's the assessment. So I need to grab the URL of this. Therefore, I'm going to open it in Read View, not Edit View. Read View in New tab. There it is. So I need to grab the URL, Control C. Back to the course. Now I need to edit the assessment page. Here it is. And in fact, I've already added the text. So there's a title, Assessment 2 Upload. Upload your Assessment 2 Word document here. Highlight the word here. Insert edit link. Control V to paste. This is going to open in this window because this is a Moodle element. Insert, exit full screen, and save and return to the course. Now let's check. Click the assessment icon. It goes to the assessment page. There's the Assessment 2 Upload. Click the link, and this is, I'm in teacher view, so there's no attempts have been made from students yet. Now there's another video which talks about a more advanced form of assessment. It talks about this one here, the advanced uploading of files, or multiple upload of files. And I would suggest that you have a look at that tutorial. On the page is listed the other options, the extra options that the advanced upload assessment activity avails you, and that might be of interest down the track. Thanks for watching. That's how to create a simple assessment portal.